In this video, I'll show you how to freeze a header in a Confluence table so you can scroll through long data without losing track of your column names. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference when you're working with large tables. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Confluence through your search engine or by typing the site address directly. Once you arrive, log into your account, and if you're new, you can quickly sign up and get started. After you're in, navigate to the page where you want to create or edit your table. Make sure you're in edit mode, then bring up the editor menu by typing a /, search for the table option, and insert a table into your page. In the very first row, type your column headings. These will act as your frozen header, so make sure they're clear and labeled exactly the way you want them. Then, fill in the rest of your table with all the data you need. When you're done, publish or update the page. As soon as it loads, you will notice that the header row stays locked at the top while you scroll through the rest of the table. This makes long tables far easier to read, especially when you're analyzing complex information. And that's all you need to do. Your table header is now frozen, and navigating your data just became a lot more efficient.